There's some really big trends that are driving the industry. The shipping lines are really pushing to go to bigger vessels because it's more cost effective for them. But then having these bigger ships puts greater strain on the port, who then has to be able to unload more goods, more cargo, more efficiently, and then be able to get that off the port. So those big ships are really having, putting some strain on the industry as it tries to adapt. Another is the Panama Canal expansion, which has been a big part of the news for the last few years, and I expect it to open in 2016. These additional locks in the Panama Canal will allow for not only larger ships to come through and perhaps take an all-water route from Asia to East Coast ports, but also will allow for less congestion in the canal, which has been a big problem in the past, where ships are really lined up sometimes for a week before they could get through the canal. So by having the two locks, they'll be able to ease some of that congestion. And you really see East Coast ports investing in facilities, in water deepening, in landside infrastructure so they can accommodate these larger vessels. Some ways that the industry is really changing, the port industry, and I would say transportation as a whole, is that there's a lot more collaboration across the mode. Ports and local transportation entities, DOTs, railroads, you name it, are working more closely to try and make sure that they're solving that last mile problem.